One advantage of the platform is that on the start section, you get to see how much you've made over a certain period of time, the number of visits, the number of orders, your conversion rate, and even the total revenue that you have earned. And this is like one of my favorite side hustle that has made me the most money. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eva Mtali and I am so excited to welcome you to the family. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that have made me the most money over the years. So without much further ado, the number 1 side hustle that has made me the most money over the years is Airbnb. And with Airbnb, I have made money in 3 different ways. The number 1 way I have made money with Airbnb is as an Airbnb host. So if you're new to Airbnb, basically Airbnb is a platform, a web platform that allows you to list extra room in your house or extra accommodation that you may have for short-term rental opportunities and get paid while doing so. So you can let out your rooms, or you can let out an apartment or a home that you have and you're no longer using for either daily or weekly basis or even monthly basis. And if you're wondering, like, how do I start my own Airbnb? What will I need to start my Airbnb? I have shot an entire video up here sharing with you the different steps of starting your Airbnb. How do you identify a location? How do you attract guests to your Airbnb? Where do you find linen from? What do you need before you start, and all that is necessary to start Airbnb. So I started running my Airbnb some time back in 2014, right when Airbnb was just coming into the country. And while I no longer run the Airbnb right now, I made a decent ton of money during that period. The number 2 way that I have made money with Airbnb is through their guest referral program. So through Airbnb's guest referral program, basically you get paid to refer your friends, your relatives to sign up for an Airbnb account. And the beauty with the Airbnb guest referral program is that they pay you just to share something that you already enjoy. And again, I have shot an entire video up here of the different referral programs and websites that will pay you just to refer your friends to their products. Okay, so how does Airbnb guest referral program work? So basically, when you are an Airbnb user, they give you what they call a referral link, and every time you share this referral link with your friends, with your relatives, with other people, and they sign up for Airbnb, Airbnb pays you $25 US for each friend that you refer and sign ups on the platform and makes a booking. So basically that's like 2,500 Kenya shillings just to tell other people, hey, look at this new thing that I found. And again, I've made tons of money just by letting other people know about Airbnb. And how do they pay you? They put up money on your account and you can use that money for purchasing accommodation. And for somebody who likes to travel like I do, this has been some really decent change that I have used over the years to pay for my accommodation. The number 3 way that I have made money with Airbnb is through their host referral program. So basically, Airbnb's host referral program is whereby you refer other hosts to list their apartments, to list their homes, to list their spaces onto the Airbnb platform. And Airbnb will pay you money the moment somebody that you refer lists their apartment or their home on the platform and have their first paying guests. And this is like one of my favorite side hustle that has made me the most money, because For every host that I refer and they sign up on the platform, Airbnb pays me $100 US. That's the equivalent of 10,600 Kenya shillings at today's exchange rate. Now, the only caveat with the Airbnb host referral program is that they have a maximum number of hosts that you can refer, which is 25. So the most money that you can make with the Airbnb host referral program is $2,500 US, which is not little money. That's like almost 300,000 Kenya shillings at today's exchange rate. Just to let people know that, hey, there's this platform that you can make money on. Again, I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom of how you can refer other people to host using the Airbnb platform and get paid for it, okay? So the number 2 side hustle that has made me the most money is business plan writing. So again, if you have been following my channel for some time right now, you are aware that I love every opportunity to make money. So I have a background in business. I have a background. I'm a certified public accountant. I have an MBA. And I love to write. So I was like, what better way to marry these 3 skills that I already possess? And back in the day, there used to be a platform called Odesk. Today it is called Upwork. And I signed up on that platform, and that's where I used to get my business plan writing opportunities. Today, I don't do too much of the business plan writing because I just have so much that is going on. But once in a while, I still write business plans and get paid for it. And yeah, so that's one other way that I've made money, but as a freelance business plan writer. If you're looking to get into business plan writing, or you're looking to get into just freelancing as a whole, my suggestion for you is to start with freelancing platforms such as Upwork. And why is that? Because there's already tons of employers just waiting to hire you. And the Upwork platform, for instance, has about 4 million employers already signed up on the platform. So again, check this video up here where I share with you one secret source that you can use to get approved on the Upwork platform. Yeah, so with Upwork, all you need to do is to register your details on the platform, and once you have registered, you wait for about 24 hours, and if you're fortunate, they will approve you on the platform and you can start bidding for jobs. The number 3 side hustle that has made me the most money over the years is blogging. I am currently running my second blog. I used to have a blog back in the day, in the early part of the year. I think it was around, I started blogging in 2010, I think, or 2011. And mostly it was about freelance writing. But sometime in 2014, I decided to change tact and move more towards side hustling and travel writing. And that's what my current evamtali.com blog is all about. And I have made money through my blog in 2 different ways. So number 1 is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically where you recommend a product to your audience, and the owner of that product or service pays you a commission at no extra cost to your audience when they make a purchase. I have been running different affiliate links on different parts of my blog, but my favorite ones are 3 of them. So number 1 is booking.com. So booking.com, again, the fact that my website, my blog is a travel channel, I recommend different hotel stays, different accommodation opportunities. And if somebody books a stay and actually stays using my booking.com referral link, booking.com has been giving me some decent change. I have also made money by referring people to the hosting platform that I use for my blog. I use Bluehost, and Bluehost pays me $65 US for everybody that signs up using my affiliate link. So that's 6,500 Kenya shillings for every person that signs up using my link, and this is at no extra cost to whoever signs up using that link. I have also made money using a service called Payoneer. So Payoneer.com is basically a prepaid debit card that most of the web like Amazon and the like pay their people through. So by recommending Payoneer.com to different people, I have been able to earn $25 for every person that I recommend, and they get on to sign up for the Payoneer debit card. Another way that I have made money through my blog is through brand mention. So this is whereby a brand like a tour company or an insurance firm or an travel insurance provider asks me to mention their service or their product on my platform, and then they pay me a given fee for this. Is usually either for an agreed period or for a lifetime, or sometimes it can be through sponsored posts. And again, through my blogging, just the fact that I blog, again, I have been able to get compensated stays in different accommodations. I have gotten compensated tour activities like train journeys. My train journeys getting paid for in return for a mention and a review on my blog. The number 4 side hustle opportunity that has made me money over the years is consulting. So again, as I mentioned, I have a background in business, I have a background in accounting, but I also have experience as a digital finance specialist. Getting into consulting is not as daunting as it sounds. Basically, just look at the skills that you already currently possess and how you can monetize them. So for example, like I have just mentioned, I have work experience in digital finance. So I offer monitoring and evaluation digital finance consulting. The number 5 side hustle opportunity that has brought me the most money over the years is running an Etsy business. So with Etsy.com, one advantage of the platform is that on the start section, you get to see how much you've made over a certain period of time, the number of visits, the number of orders, your conversion rate, and even the total revenue that you have earned. Etsy.com is a web platform through which you can list either handmade products or sell digital downloads. Personally, I have been able to sell African Maasai jewelry as well as Kiondo bags on the Etsy platform. If you're interested in getting into the Etsy business in Kenya, check this video up here. I have shot an entire series of different ways that you can go about starting your business, starting with how to identify what to sell, how to ship your items, and all the things that you will need to list your shop on the Etsy.com platform. And the number 6 side hustle opportunity that hasn't paid me too much money, but I'm manifesting is going to pay me, is shooting videos and posting them on YouTube. Well, that's it for today in terms of the 5 different side hustles that have brought me the most money over the years. Let me know what you think about the side hustles. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button below. And once you have done so, hit the notification bell so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know about it. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye.